Man, I get sprung up every time I come to this store.
I know. We're driving to the store and Gabe's like, I've been to Dick's 4 times in the past week and I'm not complaining. And I was like, wow, I'm gonna remember that you said that.
I freaking love this store. I can't help it, man.
You love what?
I love Dick's Sporting Goods.
I have yet to go to Dick's, so I'm very excited to enjoy the journey of Dick's for the first try.
Man, I just gotta say, I'm very glad that they erected this store.
That took it way too far. So what are we going in here for?
We're going in here for a 13-foot paddleboard.
Oh, speaking of Dick's.
Oh no, there's people. There's people coming.
I know.
I think you just threw out your back. The thing here is that people try to kick you out. I've found that if you tell them you're buying something expensive, they usually just let you stay.
Really?
Yes. Go straight and then hit a hard left and you'll see exactly what you're looking for.
What?
Here we are.
This?
Yeah, or any one you want.
This is $399.
Yeah.
Dick off.
You don't gotta be a dicks about it.
Seriously?
Yeah.
So,
I like
wait,
the blue one.
These are kayaks. This is not a...
No, this is a paddleboard.
These ones don't have prices.
I'm pretty sure they're all like the same. Yeah.
What? These are
Dude,
intense.
look at this thing though. I mean, I know it's expensive, but I mean, we've spent more on things before.
We have? Like what?
See, this is why I like going in the middle of the week when you don't know how expensive these things are.
Yeah, same. You really spend this much in the middle of the
Oh
week?
man, you don't know how much money I spent.
Everybody fired.
Well,
one
I guess
is
we can
phone.
feel out which one is.
Oh, God.
Oh no. Whoa.
Has a lifetime warranty. Gabe.
I almost broke it.
You can even mount the camera right here. No way.
Sick.
That is super sick.
Dang, this one is gnarly.
Is it better?
Look how
Yeah.
huge it is.
It's also $324. It was originally $650
We
bucks.
saved $325.
Wow, we're basically saving money at
Exactly.
this point.
The most disgusting thing I've ever seen.
Yeah, can I get some help over here? Why is this disgusting, dude? This is legit.
It's because your nose is just sticking out.
Should we just get the white one?
I feel like we should get the white one.
Fine.
So
let's
this is
just do
$329, or we can get this one, which is what, $369?
Well, we don't need a paddle. I think we already have a paddle, right?
Oh yeah, we have more than enough paddles.
What? This is the heaviest thing I've ever...
Can we take this to a river and have you paddleboard first?
Yeah.
Every time I see Patagonia, I think of Lance. Oh! do you need some help?
No.
You brought your wallet, right?
No, can you get this?
Oh god.
Oh,
no.
man.
Oh no.
Nailed it. It's $32.50.
You have a phone number with this?
No.
Oh yes, actually. I'll put my phone number in. Thing is absurd.
We're gonna put it on top of Troy's car. You ready?
I much preferred when you put it on your Prius.
Is this working?
Oh, that's definitely tight enough.
This is not working.
Oh, that's secure. Yeah, it's got it. Super safe. This is falling off. I'm calling it.
Dick's mission accomplished. You hear those noises?
Thank you, Troy.
Yeah, boy. Yeah, look.
Look, now you just
Solid.
now you just
Tell
hold
me
it
that's
down.
not solid. Nailed it.
Look, that ain't going nowhere.
Ain't going nowhere. We can take the interstate now. We smart.
Oh, that sound is fantastic.
We're gonna make it to the Braille house. It's gonna happen if we don't snail house. Wow, am I happy to be home. Hello, Braille house. Hello, paddleboarding. Let's paddleboard this inside.
Let's go, boys. Let's go. Oh, ho, 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 ho.
Oh, first try! Let's put trucks on this bad boy. Let's go.
We only need 2.
I say go 2. That way it's more stable.
I feel like we do 2 on the outside and 2 in the middle.
Let's go. Do it.
No, just 2 like this and 2 over there. That's great. As long as they're both lined up.
What does it even mean? Wow.
Look at those. Those do not look
They actually don't look that bad to me.
okay. Positive, right? We gotta be positive.
So you're actually excited for this video.
Dude, I'm hyped. Like, imagine the wall ride with this.
You're the one that's gonna hit it, right?
Oh, of course.
Is that it? You only want to do 2?
Yeah, for now.
That's it, you're sure.
Whoa, Petty. Watch out, watch out!
Dude, this is hecka stable.
You're about half its height.
Wow. Is this a paddle for the paddleboard?
That's a kayak paddle.
Oh, you're weak. Nollie flip. Yeah, get on that side. Ready? Go.
Hey, got off the ground, I think.
I just want to ride down everything on my stomach.
Oh no! Wait!
Wow.
Push! Oh! Leave it to Uzi to be the one that falls off.
Landlubbers. He wants to do the 5-stair laying down.
I gotta land it.
Oh no!
Revert.
Back 180. Forgot this.
You lost both
Here's your
trucks.
problem.
Oh, that was sick.
Fully counted. Well done.
Let's mini ramp it up.
You got the Braille drop, right, Luke?
Oh yeah, totally.
Caveman board slide? Oh yeah, let's just hold it up and board slide it. It's a great idea.
Great idea, Carlos.
Why did I say anything?
Wait, my shins are at risk.
And that's basically a 50-50 at this point. 3, 2, 1.
How many falls am I gonna take like that today?
Is he okay? Are you okay? Are you okay? He wants to do it. He got up and said one more time.
That's why Carlos does things like that, because like if it were me, I would have been dead. To be honest, he kind of landed primo a little bit.
3, 2, 1.
I think we're good on that.
Step up, Carlos. It's not worth it.
Just skate the mini ramp. Just skate the mini ramp.
You realize I don't fall this much on roller skateboards.
You don't.
I really don't.
You're doing a fine job, brother.
He builds houses.
It's true, I do.
I've never been more proud.
Should we put some in the middle?
Oh no.
It's all good. 2 weeks after the operation is fine. He just broke his femur, no big deal.
Get on with the man. Go! Watch the femur, Aaron. Oh no!
Oh no, are we going to the wall ride?
Wait, there's a wall!
Yeah, we did it!
All right, come on. We'll aim it. We'll
Full
give it
send,
a
full send.
full send.
That didn't work.
Oh!
First try. Fully just straddled Benny's leg.
Okay, blur that out.
Hold on, man, this is a workout.
Should have somebody jump on it as he's going down.
Alright.
Paddle up, bro.
I slipped.
I thought you were actually gonna drop in.
No, I'm going to. My leg gave out. Oh god.
Full send.
Alright.
3, 2, 1. Oh, you got that!
How is
Ow.
mini ramp alive?
It
still?
hurts. I don't know. 3, 2, 1. Primo, the world's first ever primo drop-in.
Should I try one more? Or?
If you don't think you can, let me know. I'll do it. You got this. Let's go all the way to the edge. You got it, baby. 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh!
Surf's up, bro.
I'll never walk again.
Double drop in.
Get on there, buddy. 3, 2, 1.
What? That was sick. You two should stand on the edge, and Carlos, you should like walk the plank on it, like all the way to the edge.
Hang tenant.
Yeah.
Ah.
I don't know if that'll
Put
work.
all your weight.
Oh no! Oh no!
Ah! Oh!
I feel like the Silver Surfer on that thing.
This is not gonna happen. Don't hold on to me. No way.
Go, Carlos!
You guys got this.
Hold him.
Let it go.
Oh no!
Oh! You had it. We're trying to have Carlos go to the end, walk the plank style.
Crazy.
More weight.
More weight! Yeah, we got it! We got it!
Yes, Carlos. Yes. Keep shifting! Keep going! That was impressive. Oh! Yeah!
Shred it up.
Betty, you know what we must do.
Uh-huh. The bungee.
Where? Like that? Yeah. No way you can make that. That's terrible.
Just warning you, if it comes flying here, you gotta jump off.
Jumping this way.
Okay.
The ground loves me today.
That thing's a danger to us all. Like, you never know where it's gonna go.
You think it's gonna work?
Yeah, he needs to land more on the back. He's basically hitting the front and it's making it turn. Corrections have been made. Betty's giving it a go. There's one truck that's like really in a weird position, but he thinks it's gonna help him. I'm not sure why.
Let's see. I have an idea.
The ramp is now aiming directly at me.
All right, guys, we hope you enjoyed this video. We had a blast making it, so we hope you had a blast watching it. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and remember, the Black Friday sale is happening now. So go get all your skateboard gear at brailleskateboarding.com, up to 50% off.
Wow! Count it. Yeah!
Oh, hey, didn't see there. I was just signing posters for everybody that gets something at brailleskateboarding.com this holiday season. Wow, slid right in there, the box of your dreams. We got handboards, we got bow ties, we got a box, and I got a knife. We're gonna open this box nice. We got everything on sale right now at brailleskateboarding.com for Black Friday. It is up to 50% off selected items. We have many different skateboards. We have completes. We have blank decks, t-shirt hoodies, all the new handboard designs, hoodies, tons of different hats, skater trainers, more handboards. Skateboarding Made Simple volumes, you guys are gonna need those. We got volume 1, we got volume 1 through 6, we have DVDs, we have digital downloads, we have all different kinds of grip tape and everything else that you would ever need to learn how to skateboard. So go to brailleskateboarding.com right now. It's Black Friday. You guys know what to do. Up to 50% off all of these items. The store is totally stocked up, so go there and get what you need. brailleskateboarding.com. Have a great Christmas.